Hello friends, hi, good morning to all of you and welcome to our Sajay English classes. Today we are going to learn a very important topic which is useful for all of you, and that topic name is a sentence pattern, that is simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. Yesterday, most of the students called me to say about that, sir, it will be better to give or take this lecture on the topic that is this is what we call simple sentence. Now today we are going to learn the topic simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. See, sentence. First is simple sentence, compound and complex. This simple sentence is called in Marathi, that is साधे वाक्य. Compound sentence is called in Marathi संयुक्त वाक्य. And complex sentence is called in Marathi मिश्र वाक्य. Today's lecture we will see first simple sentence. Now what do you mean by simple sentence? Yes. Simple sentence is that sentence in which subject, verb, object. Yes. Means in simple sentence there is only one subject. Yes. Second, only one verb. And third is object. See, the sentence which has one subject, one verb and one object, that sentence is called simple sentence. But now we learn how is a sentence. Simple sentence, how can we recognize? First, remember the another things that simple sentence is meaningful. Yes. Simple sentence is meaningful. Second thing, simple sentence is independent. For example, she is teacher. She is subject. Is verb. And teacher, this is complement. Yes. We can take the another example. Radha speak English in the class. Radha speak English in the class. Radha is subject, speaks verb, English object, in the class adverbial. Yes, in the class. This sentence, Radha speak English in the class, this sentence is meaningful sentence. Remember, this sentence is meaningful sentence. This sentence is meaningful, this sentence is independent. To understand this topic, it is necessary to understand first the clauses. But due to the request of other students, some students, they told me to take this topic. And so, I am going to teach you. Yes? Simple sentence is meaningful simple sentence, independence, and the another thing in simple sentence there is a one subject, one verb, and one object. What is? So, which sentence can be the simple sentence? Open the door. This sentence is also simple sentence. Call the police. This is simple sentence. This is simple sentence because it is meaningful. It is meaningful, and so it is simple sentence. It is independence. Don't speak here. She likes history. I would like to help you. Yes, these are simple sentences. Means under the head of all these sentences, last video I told you the types of sentence. All sentences are come under the head of simple sentence. Yes. Now, how we can make simple sentence? For example, she is so beautiful that she cannot speak to others. This is a complex sentence. Remember, but if someone tell you that make it simple sentence, now we can use the structure of remote. She is too beautiful to speak others. Remember, right? Now do you understand this? Now there are some concepts in English. By using that concept, we make simple sentence. And that's all. Now which are the ways how to make this? First is being. Being plus. Have plus. Yes? Means have plus ing. Have plus ing, by plus ing. By plus ing means by using gerund we also make simple sentence. Now do you understand this simple sentence? Once again I repeat for you. In simple sentence there is only one subject, one verb, one object. Right? Remember this. The sentence, in simple sentence, there is only one verb, only one subject, only one object. Yes. Simple sentence consists these. Simple sentence is meaningful. Simple sentence is independent. As we study in clauses, main clause and subordinate clause. When we consider the main clause, that main clause is nothing but only simple sentence. It is a simple sentence. And subordinate clause and the whole sentence is that is a complex sentence. We can say it complex sentence. Now, I hope you understand this simple sentence. Yes. Now come to the compound sentence. We will learn now compound sentence. See. Now which is a compound sentence? Yes. What is the meaning of compound? Compound means जोड़ना. Compounds mean joint करने. बराबर है कि नहीं? आपने वो साइकिल देखी होगी, एक साइकिल दूसरे साइकिल को जैसे ज्वाइन किया जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड कंपाउंड, यानी कि जोड़ने का काम करने. नाउ व्हाट्स आर द वर्ड्स इन इंग्लिश? दैट वर्ड्स इज ज्वाइन. मीन्स बिफोर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस वी टेक विच सेंटेंस. इन कंपाउंड सेंटेंस देयर आर समटाइम्स टू सब्जेक्ट, समटाइम्स टू वर्ब, sometimes two object, sometimes two object. For example, Hindus and Muslims celebrate Diwali festival. In this sentence, a Hindu and a Muslim, there are two subjects, celebrate one verb, Diwali festival. He speaks English and Hindi. In this sentence, English and Hindi is object. Yes? She was rewarded and punished. Here, rewarded and punished. Here, two words. Means the sentence in which sometimes two subjects in a one sentence or two verbs in a one sentence or two objects in a one sentence, that sentence is called compound sentence. The definition of compound sentence is that when the two subject or two verb or two object joined by which words? Now these words remember. For example, and, yet, still. Yes? Yeah, and, yet, still. But. Yes? What is this? By using these words, we make the sentence that is a compound sentence. That is called compound sentence. इसका मतलब ये है कि and, but, yet, still ये words use करके हम कंपाउंड सेंटेंस बनाते हैं. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, सी हिंदूज एंड मुस्लिम सेलिब्रेट दिवाली फेस्टिवल एंड देयर आर टू सब्जेक्ट हिंदूज एंड मुस्लिम एंड. यस, यू अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ वी कैन टेक द example of verb. She was rewarded and punished. She was rewarded and punished. उसको रिवार्ड भी मिला और पनिश भी मिला. दैट इज टू वर्ब by using and. Object, he speak Marathi and Hindi. He speak English and Hindi. Two object. Right? Now we can take the example of but. Example of but. For example, she is a kind girl, but she neglects her study. She is a scholar girl, but she neglects her study. Now by using the but, the sentence is a compound sentence. We can take the example of it. I told you many times, yet you forget it. I tell you many times, yet you forget. By using here. But sometimes there are some words. By using that word, the sentence also become compound sentence. And that words are because. Yes? Because. Yes. As well as. See. बिकॉज से भी हम दो सेंटेंस ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. यानी कि जो ज्वाइन करने वाला जो वर्ड्स होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड कंजंक्शन. वॉट एवर कंजंक्शन इन इंग्लिश, बाय यूजिंग द कंजंक्शन we make a compound sentence. Mean two sentence joins each other by using the words and, but, yet, still, because, as well as. Such words. Now do you understand this? Okay? Now we will learn the complex sentence in next video. So friends, I request to all of you, to like this video, subscribe our channel, share this video to your friends. That will be very helpful for them. Okay, I hope you will do it, you will follow. Yes. See, the next part, complex sentence, will be in the next video. Okay, bye, see you, thank you.